Okay, this is Miss Anna on her birthday. Yeah, give a smile. She says, I'm drinking out of my big girl sippy cup. I have my birthday crown on. And she says, I have my birthday shirt on too, but it's underneath this bib. Because Mommy wants to keep that shirt clean all day for your party tonight. Huh. Your little crown's falling. Yeah, her little crown's a little big for her head. Oh yeah, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Here. There, yeah. Now take the bib off. Say hi. Say, I'm jumping, Say, look at me, I'm the birthday girl. Yeah. Say, it's my birthday. Yeah. Oh, keep your birthday crown on. Keep it on. Yeah, jump down. Can you say hi to everybody? Can you blow a kiss, Anna? Anna, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. She's like, no, I'm going to rip this crown off. Okay. I'll say bye-bye for now.